So today, YouTube, we decided we're gonna cut up this beautiful brand new, well, not brand new, but 19 Chevy Colorado Zr2. Got this front bumper we're gonna install. Found out the winch we bought, or he bought, not me, because I'm broke as fuck. 420 is my life. It ain't gonna fit, but we're still gonna install the bumper. And in order to do that, you gotta cut away the plastic bumper that comes factory with this vehicle. So we've already taped off where it's going to be cut, and
here's the progress.
We started using this Dremel to begin to cut away. Stay tuned. So right now we're about a little more than halfway through. She got a big smile on her face. Look at her smile. She got a new smile right there. Missed one. Somewhere. Yeah. You're fine. That's the one you missed over here too. Uh-oh. This is the junk pile. Somebody done lost the front end. That's awesome. Alright, so now that the front end has been cut off and removed, now we got a few more things to take off. Install brackets and then mount.
Keep these on here so I can put these two back. Put these two back on the bottom right here.
Which?
So it keeps this thing from flapping. Or am I going to completely remove it?
No, you put it right back in. Look, you're gonna screw that right back in. I put the.
No, we're taking all that off.
This is coming off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we might have to. I wonder if we can maybe mount it to. Is this coming off too? This bracket? I need to watch that video. That's what I need to do. So I know what the whole process, you know. This is the tough part, right? Is this the tough part? one thing I didn't bring up. What's up, Bruno? Damn, that's a nice Subi.
Oh yeah.
WRX.
What else back here? Yeah, I mean you can go there and watch the video.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Put a wrench on that.
He said, I put no wrench on. Alright.
I have to fucking
Fucking what?
put that hook on it.
What is it? 420.
Motors.
Shock one key. Where the fuck is it? Is it recent?
No, it's a couple back. I mean, it ain't too far back.
Mine it is. Springs, drive shaft, skid plate, tie rod sleeve. I feel you rubbing up against my foot heel. Now you get to tug on a wrench. That's what you wanted to do on a Sunday. Could have brought my impact.
I got an impact. I just need a compressor.
I could have brought my new compressor. I got that DeWalt. Them's tight. There you go. Flex those muscles. Come on. Get it. There you go. You'll feel that in the palm of your hand tomorrow. Smart. Yeah, let me get that cooler out of your way. Down on the green. You got that, buddy. That's your job today. You got it. Okay, Uncle Scott.
Now you grab a,
What you need?
is there a 19 wrench in there? I don't think there is. 17.
You want a box in or?
So if I need a nut, no, I got it.
Okay. Well, I got my cobalt thing.
Here. Give me a shot.
Are you gonna put me to work?
Yeah. I got the 3/4.
3/4 probably right here.
No, I got a 3. I'm saying a fucking 3/4 fucking.
Stop swearing. You're on YouTube. Alright, so now that the front end has been cut off and removed, now we got a few more things to take off and install brackets and then mount. So now that the front bumper's on, you can see a much better approach, cleaner look. Now I can finally put those fucking rings on. Okay, so the bumper's installed. Got a light bar. That's installed. Looks pretty badass if you ask me.
We're not professionals.
Kind of look. Thanks for watching.